Hello, my name is Sachin Pratap Singh. Discipline is journalism. Subject name Media Law and Ethics. Module name Cable Television Act. In cable television is the talk of the day. In each and every corner of the country, people talk about it. Euronites have the privilege to enjoy the cable television has spread its wings with the result that there has been a price mushrooming of cable television network all over the country due to ability of signal of foreign television networks via satellites. The programs which the being projected on the satellite channels are predominantly Western and or alien of your culture and the way of life of these cable television networks. Lot of program and advertisement are also being screened without any fear of being checked. To check this tendency, it has been considered necessary to regulate the operation of cable television in the country network in the country so as the bring without uniformity. On 29th September 1994, an ordinary titled the Cable Television Network Ordinance 1994 are promulgated by the President of to provide the regulation of the operation of cable television network in the country. The ordinance was promulgated by the President on 17 Jan 1995. To replace this said ordinance, a bill was introduced in the Parliament which was passed by both of the House. Statement and object and reasons. There has been mushrooming of cable television network all over the country during the last few years as a result of the ability of single of foreign television network by satellites. This has been this has a culture invention in many quarters since the program available on these satellite channels and predominantly Western and totally aligned to your culture and way of life. Since there is no regulation of these cable television network, lot of under programs and advertisements are becoming available to the viewer without any if kind censorship. Second, it is also felt that the subscribers of these cable television network to the programmers and the cable operators themselves are not aware to their rights, responsibilities of obligation in respect of the quality of service, technical as well as content by use of material protect by copyright, exhibition of uncertified films, protection of subscribers from anti-national broadcast from source income to our national interest, responsibilities to subscriber and provide links to operate within the board frameworks of the law of the land. Example, the Cinematography Act 1952, the Copyright Act 1957, Independent Representation of Women Act 1986. Third, it is therefore considered necessary to regulate the operation of cable television network in their entire country so as to bring about uniformity in their operation. It will thus enable to obtain exploration of this technology which has the potential of making available to the subscribers a vast pool information and entertainment. The bill seeks to achieve the above objects. Act 7 of 1995. The bill titled Cable Television Network Regulation Bill 1995 was passed by both the House of Parliament and the same was assisted by the President on 25th March. I came on the statute book that the Cable Television Network Regulation Act 1995 7 of 1995 deemed to have come into force on 29 September 1994. Regulation of Cable Television Network. Cable Television Network not to be operated except after registration. No person shall operate a cable television network unless he is registered as a cable operator under this act, provided that a person operating a cable television network immediately before the communicant on his act may be continued to do so for a period of 90 days from such commitment, and if he has made a application for registration as a cable operator under section 4 within the said period till he is registered under that section, or the registering authority refuses to grant registration of him under that section. Registration as a cable operator. Any person who is operating or a desire of operating a cable television network may apply for registration as a cable operator to the registering authorized and applicable under subsection shall be made such from and be accommodated by such fee as may the on receipt of the application the registering authorized shall certify it save that the applicant has furnished all the required information and to being so satisfied register an applicant has a cable operator and grant to him a certificate of such registration provided that the registering authorized may be for reason to recorded in writing and communicated. Provided that the registering authorized may for reason to be recorded in writing and communicate to the applicant refuse to grant registration to him if it is certified that he does not fulfill the condition specified in clause of section 2. Program code. No person shall transmit or retransmit through a cable service any program unless such program is in conformity with the specified program code. Provide that nothing in the section shall apply to program of foreign satellite channels which can be received without the use of any gadget from decoder. Advertisement code. No person shall transmit or retransmit through a cable service any advertisement unless such advertisement is in conformity with the prescribed advertisement code. Provide that nothing in this section shall apply to the programs of foreign satellite channels which can be received without the use of any slash gadget or decoder. Maintenance of registered compulsory transmission of two Doordarshan channel. Every cable operator using a dish antenna or television receiver only shall from commencement of the act this transmit at least two Doordarshan channel of this choice through the cable service. Doordarshan channel referred in subsection shall be retransmit without any deletion of alteration of any program transmit on such channel. Use of standards equipment in cable television network. Cable television network not be interfere with any telecommunication system. Every cable operator shall ensure that the cable television network being operated by him does not interfere in any way with the functioning of the authorized telecommunication systems. Power of size equipment used operating cable television network. Secure the configuration of equipment not be interfere with other punishment for the controversy of provision of this act. However, controversy any of the provision of act shall be punishable. For the first offence with the imprisonment for a team which can extend to 2 years or with fine which may extend to the 1,000 rupees of or with both. For every offence with information for team which may extend to 5 years and with fine which may extend to 5,000